Introducing Bolt, your compact surveillance bot, a 24/7 intelligent video analytics powered by Yoko Labs. With 8 camera channels and 8 powerful use cases, enhance safety and surveillance. With Bolt AI Video Analytics, transform your surveillance into an analytical insight and stay secured. AI Bolt Smart Factory offers safety PPE kit detection, fire and smoke detection, vehicle count, and more. Our goal is to enhance safety in diverse communities using AI-powered video analytics. Bolt Video Analytics provide real-time insights with interactive dashboard for data analytics. Automated email reports for effortless analysis and decision-making. Enjoy 12 months of software support and trouble-free operations. Drive forward with confidence using our Bolt AI-powered video analytics solution. Yoko Labs, where vision, clarity, and insight converge. Contact us now for a free demo and let us create an incredible experience for you.